On Crystal's recent visit to California, we decided to explore Montrose. Montrose is relatively central within the Los Angeles metropolitan area, making it convenient to access nearby cities like Pasadena and downtown Los Angeles. It has an adorable small-town atmosphere, and Honolulu Avenue is a main street lined with a variety of shops, restaurants, and cafes. Here is our list of 5 things you can do in Montrose. Sugarbird Cafe. This adorable little cafe specializes in unique flavored scones. With its enchanting atmosphere and friendly staff, it's no wonder that it was recently featured in the LA Times as one of the 15 best places to sip afternoon tea in LA. They have inventive flavor combinations, and you must try the premium jelly-filled scones, which was featured on Hulu's Baker's Dozen. We enjoyed every sweet bite, and our favorite was definitely the matcha scone. Lost Books. This charming bookstore is the sister of downtown LA's beloved The Last Bookstore. As you approach the entrance, a sense of wonder and tranquility washes over you. The transition from the outside world to this lush oasis is immediate and dramatic. The moment you step into the bookstore, you realize that it's more than just a place to buy books. It's an intricate maze of literary wonders with hidden nooks and crannies. We couldn't help but admire the cleverly arranged displays and the sound of real chirping birds. Moo Moo Mia ice cream. We just adore the pop of color this storefront adds to the quaint tree-lined community. We both enjoyed a waffle bowl of ice cream from their year-round favorite, the double mocha chip. But if you're a little bit more adventurous than we are, their seasonal flavors include unique scoops like the almond chocolate croissant, which is a vegan option, and Earl Grey vanilla crisp. Montrose Bowl. It's been so long since we had a bowling outing together that when we unexpectedly came across Montrose Bowl, we couldn't resist the spontaneous urge to bowl. This petite retro bowling alley has been in operation since 1936 and just celebrated its grand reopening. One of the great things about this nostalgic alley is the absence of electronic scoreboards. We aren't the competitive type, so we just kept taking turns, laughing and joking without the pressure of keeping score. As we played, we couldn't help but appreciate the simple pleasure of watching our bowling balls gracefully gliding back to us on those iconic conveyor belts. Black Cow Cafe. After exploring various establishments in Montrose, we discovered that the best place to grab a bite was here at the Black Cow. The menu offers an array of comfort food favorites, ensuring that everyone can find their perfect dish. We both enjoyed our meals, but Crystal especially enjoyed her glass of freshly squeezed orange juice. It was the perfect pairing to the delicious food. So there you go. That's 5 fun things you can do in Montrose, California. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!